Okay guys, next step is step 22. What we're going to do is uncleco the elevator tip skin, and the forward 10 holes on the side of the composite will dimple, and the forward 11 holes on the inside will dimple. Total of 21 on each side, which equals 42 holes we need to dimple. Let's go ahead and get started on that. Alright guys, just finished step 22. Got the holes dimpled from this line up to the tip. This is the elevator tip skin, and on the other side as well. Let's see if I can get that. But finished.
For real-time updates on the build, please follow me on Instagram, Brads_aviation_channel. Also follow my builder's blog at bradslingtsi.wordpress.com. Elevator assembly step 22 took 15 minutes. Total time on the empennage 63 hours 30 minutes. Please like this video. If you have any questions for me, leave it in the comments below. Subscribe and hit that bell so that you'll receive notifications. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.